Hello, everybody. I am Kwashonda Kudaisi, and I am a part of the doctorate in curriculum and instruction with the concentration in mathematics. I'm still trying to figure out what my cognate is going to be in. I'm leaning toward leadership, though. Um, I am married, so I have the best husband in the world. He studied biology and he's trying to determine if he's gonna get an MBA or go into straight into business. So we'll see what happens with that. I have three beautiful daughters: Anna Victoria, Abigail Victoria, and Alexandra Victoria. I just had Alexandra. She's sitting over there. She's so cute. I'll have pictures of them posted. Anna is 4, Abigail is 2, and Alexandra is 5 months. We like to go to Legoland. We like to go to Busch Gardens. We like to garden. We're growing a couple of different fruits and veggies in the back. We have pineapples. We have oranges. We have tomatoes, green peppers, red peppers, habanero peppers, and I think that's it. But I'm wanting to grow more, so I'm really, really excited about that. We also love cooking together, so I make videos of different recipes that I cook, and my daughters love it, so I allow them to do that with me. I also like to play board games and do a lot of outreach in the community. So the first Saturday of every month, we invite the youth over and um, we have a message about God and we play games and we eat, and it's just such a fabulous time. And we also have our own business. So we have an online clothing business called Modest Apparel. And we're thinking about starting a couple of other businesses. So my husband is more of the business person, and I kind of go along with it because I like it. I am from Cincinnati, Ohio, where it is a lot colder than Florida. I'll show you guys a picture. We went there recently for spring break, and it was the first time that my daughter saw snow. So I'll show you guys that. So I came to Florida in 2012, and I attended Southeastern University where I met my husband, and I got a degree in practical theology. And so when I graduated, I needed a job. So I was like, how about I go into teaching? Because I've always loved teaching anyway. I was in high school. I had such a wonderful math teacher. I just love mathematics. She made it fun. She made it interesting. She made it engaging. And I just could not wait to get the math. Like that was my favorite all-time class. So I actually ended up receiving a scholarship when I was in high school, and as a result of that scholarship, they actually did like a short documentary, just talking about my life and some of the awards I got in high school, and then some of my future plans. So I'm gonna show that quick 2-minute video.
It's hard to keep track of everything Kwashonda Bowling has accomplished as a 17-year-old senior at Aiken College and Career High School. But one thing is certain, she's this year's winner of the YWCA Mamie Earl Sells Scholarship Award.
I just know where I want to go. Like, I think that's why I'm so successful, because I know where I want to go. Like, I don't take it and try to use it as an excuse. It really motivates me to do better.
While she carries a 4.2 grade point average and is valedictorian of her class, life hasn't always been easy for Kwashonda. Growing up in a tough, violent neighborhood with another sister and 4 brothers, Kwashonda didn't consider education very important until 3 years ago, when a teacher in 9th grade became her mentor and friend.
And she saw that I had more potential than what I was putting out. So she seen that I was hanging with the wrong crowd. So she just would always tell me, you can do better. Then she invited me to go to church with her. I started going to church with her. Then I just started changing all around, and I liked it, that feeling like it's just mass positivity was coming.
Today, Kwashonda serves as senior class vice president, captain of the basketball team, and has been a mentor and volunteer for just about every program at Aiken. Despite all of her school activities, Kwashonda works at least 32 hours a week at McDonald's, often giving money she's earned to her siblings.
I have several students that I would say are definitely leaders, but I don't really have one that has the compassionate kind of servant leader that Quashonda carries.
After high school, Quashonda wants to go to college in hopes of someday becoming a math teacher.
And I always wanted to be a teacher. I just didn't know what I would teach. And plus, they gave me the opportunity to really help students like how I was helped. I basically want to give back.
Even though she's a teenager, Quashonda has already figured out one of the most important things in life.
Just always give 100%. Do it from your heart. Don't ever do nothing just because what somebody think or just some type of praise you're going to get. Just always do it from your heart.
The YWCA salutes Quashonda Bowling as the 2010 Mamie Earl Sells Scholarship Award winner.
So I started teaching mathematics in 2014, and I really loved it. So I was like, hey, how about I get a master's degree in it? So I went and got a master's degree in teaching mathematics at the University of South Florida. And I graduated in 2016, and I continued to teach. So this upcoming school year will be my 5th year teaching mathematics. In addition to teaching mathematics, I've also taught journalism, college and career, SAT prep, and yearbook. So those are some of the things that I've done. And Alexandra is talking, so how about I show you guys? This is Alexandra. Say hi. So that's Alexandra. Do you see herself? Oop. I guess she had to burp. So yeah, that's Alexandra. And that's me.